What's up guys, another quick simple video, real easy, real simple. Just wanted to show you guys. So today we got some E30 BC coilovers, 82 to 91, and we have the spindles here. Now these are magnetic, so that means they are steel. You can weld to them, but before you weld to them, definitely take them off of your actual coilover itself, because you don't want to heat this up, and you know these things are charged and all that. So you got your spindle here, looks like it's been primered or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned up and get the primer or paint, whatever it is, off of here. This is where it was cut, and these are machined, so just slide right on in there. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but all right, there we go. So these things fit nice and snug. You can see that's the left one. These don't appear to be directional, like left or right, because they have this adjustable brake line bracket right here. So pretty much before you weld anything, and I mean anything, you want it the cleanest possible material as you can get. Meaning a shiny metal. You don't want no dirt, you don't want no rust, grime, paint, anything on there. So always prep your metal. So now that that's prepped and all cleaned up, what you want to do is take your torch and preheat this thing to about 400 degrees. Especially because this is, like I said, thicker cast, and you see this stuff. I mean, this is decently thick too. It's probably about 3/16. But this is going to require a lot more heat to penetrate versus that. So you want to go ahead and, like I said, preheat it about 400 degrees. Take your little temperature gun and you can check it, and then you can give it a couple tacks, make sure it's nice and straight, and then weld it in. And just like that, we are done. So like I said, super simple and easy. Monitor the temperatures, make sure they're cooling roughly around the same. So there it is, there's the coilovers. Super simple, super easy. It took me like 20-30 minutes, if that. So there they are. Like always guys, thanks for watching my videos. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff.